Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Is Ada Recipes here. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. In today's video, I'll be showing you a simple recipe on how to make potato fries. You're going to love this recipe. If you want to know how I came up with this easy and delicious recipe, continue watching as I share with you guys. So here we have our potato. This is sweet potato. You can use Irish potato, okay? So the next thing you're going to do is to peel the potatoes. We are done peeling the potatoes. Next, add water and wash. Next, cut the potato. Into strips. We are done cutting the potato. So here we have eggs. Add the eggs and mix everything together. Add flour. Make sure you sift the flour. Add paprika, cinnamon powder, dry Cameroon pepper, and salt. Then mix and combine very well. Next, heat up your oil and add the prepared potato. Then you fry on low-medium heat. Stir at intervals. As you guys can see, our potato is looking so appetizing. When it's golden brown, it's ready to be removed from heat. As you guys can see, our potato fries is ready. Guys, you're going to love this recipe. It's so easy to make, okay? It's another way you can enjoy your potatoes. So here we have the sauce. For the measurement, check the description box below. and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe, and make sure you try out yours. See you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.